Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we've got something interesting, made in South Korea, packaged for the US market. This is Pink Rocket with their Carbonara Rapokki. So, Rapokki is a combination of ramen and tteokbokki. So, it's noodly, and it has the wonderful tubes of happiness. So, this one, I think we just have to microwave it. Isn't that the deal? You betcha. Well, this one and the next one you gotta microwave. The next one I'm really excited about. I've been looking for it for a while, so you'll get to see that. Add rice cake, ramen, and seasoning powder to the cup. Okay. So this is what tteokbokki looks like before you cook it. I'm going to do it in that order too. So we're going to add rice cake. We're going to take away the taste. Super tasty desiccant. Drop this in. There's the rice cake. The Ramen noodles. Everybody likes ramen. I love it when people call it that. What I don't like is when I incorrectly cut open a package. That irritates me. Are we gonna get any play with it that way? Maybe. The ramen noodles on top. And then here is our carbo powder. I'm hopeful that this works out well because the last times I made this has just ended up so ungodly dry. So we'll see if they got it figured out these days. Alright, done. And then fill water to the marked line. Cover lid and microwave at 700 watts for 300 minutes. That's why it was dry. 3.5 minutes. So I've got some room temp water that I will employ. If I can. Where'd it? See? It's got an R on it. Ramen Raider water. Where is the marked line? It's way down there. How are you? It doesn't even fit. See, that's the well, there we are. 700 watts, huh? And a lid. Whoa. Alright, move you over here. Put you in there. Put you on here. It feels like the lid's just going to make it explode. Honestly, lids worry me in the microwave. But at 700 watts, maybe it won't. But I'm not worried. It doesn't say cover loosely, it just says cover with lid. So. Okay. 3.5 minutes. $700 watts. I'm going with 60%. It's a 1200 watt. Wait, yeah. 50% of 1250 would be 625. So yeah, that's probably overdone. I don't know. I just made more water, and by the time that this is done, that maybe will be room temperature fied. Desiccant. Who doesn't love a sachet of desiccant? Fun fact, oh, I hate that. If you ate one of those little sachets that say do not eat, you know what would happen? Nothing. It would just go right through you. Seriously. They don't put things in food that if you eat it, you're gonna die. Because they know people are stupid. But, yeah, it won't kill you. Like, oh my god, it's gonna kill me! I'm sure they get a lot of calls to poison control when people put those things in, but... No, won't kill you. It's just silica gel. I'll just go... I can't imagine chewing on it would be that enjoyable, but, yeah. I always thought that for years, that using silica gel will... or eating it would make you sick, but I guess not. I'm not going to test that, but... maybe I should do an episode where I find out if silica gel will make me ill. I don't think I'm gonna. It's doing something in there, I'm pretty sure. I'm hoping to use this bowl, but I have a feeling that bowl is too small. You is. But we'll see. It may be, it may not be. I have le fork. They did make le car. Why couldn't they just make le fork? But yeah, I still think it's funny. Nobody commented or anything except for my buddy from the UK who has a foul sense of humor already. But the pink rocket for the lovely girls, that it's just like you don't get it? You don't see any kind of... No? Okay. Pink rocket? Nope, nobody in the Ramen Junkies group or anything just like thought, pink rocket. It's like, come on. Go back to grade school for a minute. Jeez, you guys are all so old. They get cranky too. But God, I had a guy the other day talking about how, because we got the chats in Facebook groups now, and this guy talking about how, oh, I've done pretty much everything you can imagine with ramen. Oh? Yeah. Oh, God. It exploded. Just like I'm glad I put this. Yeah. Fucking thing exploded. Piece of shit. Ow. Yeah, I gotta say, they come up with a great idea for a product, but then they drop the ball on the preparation instructions, and they don't even know how to do it. And it's really stupid. So we have, check it out. We have a pool, and then we've got this. So I will give it a taste of our soupy Rapokki. Cheers. Noodle's not bad. A Rapokki. Going and doing that. Ouch. Well, yeah, that doesn't really fix the sitch. We will do things to it. Add a little bit of pork to it. It is carbonara. I could put bacon bits in it. We do have that. But I'll add some pork, I guess. It really doesn't come with any garnish. A little springy. A little crushed red pepper. Sesame seed? Nah. Oh, I'll have to tell you about that. Yeah. Rotate. Yeah, I mean, but where is it? Turn off. There you go. So, I don't know how I keep bumping this thing. Sometimes I bump this thing and the light turns on. I'm not keen on that. Anyway, I had these before and they were too dry. This one is too wet. So, we'll see. I think I might have overfilled the liquid a little bit. So, that could be me. Yeah. Anyways, yeah, the next one you'll see is another microwavable variety that I've been searching for a long time, and finally my local grocery store had it. This is Nissan with their hot and spicy Firewalk volcanic Mongolian beef, and sadly I'm beefless, so I guess I'll just use some chashu. Can't complain about that. You can, but I really don't care. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles. Let's get to 25,000 subscribers, so subscribe. Grab your friend's phone. Make them subscribe too. Just drive them nuts. Drive everybody nuts. Alright, have a good one. Bye-bye. Thank you.